How to deactivate Facebook account. Hey everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily deactivate your Facebook account. First thing you want to do is open up Facebook application. Make sure you're logged into the account that you want to deactivate. And then from there you want to go to and then find the profile hamburger icon at the top left corner. Then you can just scroll down and find settings and privacy. Go to settings. And once you open up settings, you'll find account center right here on top. Go to account center, scroll down until you find the option personal details. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you open up your personal details, on the bottom option, you'll have account ownership and control where you can manage your data, modify your legacy contact, and deactivate or delete your account's profiles. Tap on it. And from this option, you can select the second option, deactivation or deletion. Select your Facebook account that you want to deactivate. Now, as you can see, your deactivating is temporary. Your account and main profile will be deactivated and your name and photos will be removed from most of the things that you've shared. But you will be able to continue using Messenger. And if you want to come back again, that is no problem. You just have to log back into your account and your account will be automatically reactivated. Just make sure you don't select the second one because the second option is permanent and you won't be able to recover or retrieve any of your data. Simply go ahead and tap on deactivate account and then continue. Once you do that, as you can see here, all of the pages and profiles will also be deactivated. So just tap on continue. And then for security reasons, you're going to have to provide your password. Then tap on continue again. And you should be able to deactivate your account without any problem. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. Be sure to hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.